Hi, this is Mark, the bird watcher Simmons. I think I just spotted a rare species in my backyard. I'm gonna go in and check it out. Even the most rare species must be seen at the Sky Cafe. Who could refuse a lovely spritz after dining at the Sky Cafe? Oh, this is great. Comes just in time for the annual Audubon backyard bird count. Oh, I can't wait for them to see this one. Oh, there it is, there it is. It's the rare pink flamingo. Yes, life is good here at the Sky Cafe. Well, this is Mark Simmons, Birder, with another episode of DIY